Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to find your Capital One account number and routing number, whether you're using the mobile app or online banking. To get started, open the Capital One mobile app or go to the Capital One website and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, select the checking or savings account you need the information for. Next, look for an option that says Account Details, Account Information, or something similar. Tap or click on it to open your account details. In this section, you'll see your routing number and your account number clearly listed. You may also see options to copy, share, or download this information if you need it for direct deposit, transfers, or bill payments. If you don't see the numbers right away in the app, you can also access them by viewing a direct deposit form or bank statement, which includes both the routing and account numbers. Once you've located the information, double-check the numbers before sharing them or answering them into another system. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you find your Capital One account and routing numbers, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.